Hi guys, welcome back to another Irish lesson. Today we are going to talk about ghosts, a couple of phrases or sentences in Irish based on ghosts. And I know you might think that the time for ghostly stories is over, seeing as Halloween was quite some time ago now. Well, actually, I'm not going to go into it too much now because I'll make another video on it soon. But apparently, I didn't know this actually, but apparently telling ghost stories around Christmas time is an old tradition. And I guess it makes sense, people huddling together around the fire, keeping warm on the cold, chilly winter evenings. It's the right time to bring out all the creepy old stories. So we're going to be having a couple more creepy, ghostly narrations. As I said, I'll talk more about that another time, but for today, let's just talk about some things to do with ghosts in Irish. So first of all, taibhsé is ghost in Irish, taibhsí ghosts. Tá aghaidh a bháis roimh hiyv-shee. So this means he is in mortal fear, he has terrible fear of ghosts. Tá aghaidh a bháis roimh hiyv-shee. Aghaidh is fear, vawss is death, so he's like terrified to death. Roimh hiyv-shee of ghosts. Tá aghaidh a bháis roimh hiyv-shee. Khay-loor on taibhsé, something that they frequently do. The ghost vanished. Khay-loor on taibhsé. Khay-loor on taibhsé. Ba khos-ool le taibhsí. This one is, I suppose, not so ghostly really, just comparing somebody to a ghost. Ba khos-ool le taibhsí. Ba khos-ool le taibhsí. He had the appearance of a ghost. Ba khos-ool le taibhsí. To raise a ghost. Taibhsí a ghoo-shokht. Ghoo-shokht is like to wake up. To raise a ghost. Taibhsí a ghoo-shokht. Taibhsí a ghoo-shokht. Something you don't want to do. To lay a ghost. Taibhsí a yee-bert. I suppose when you, bless the house or something and the ghost is laid to rest. I'm not sure. Taibhsí a yee-bert. Taibhsí a yee-bert. Taibhsí a ghoo-shokht. To raise a ghost. Taibhsí a yee-bert. To lay a ghost. This is future Dove popping in to clarify what past Dove said. So to lay a ghost or lay the ghost is from the dictionary to get rid of a distressing, frightening or worrying memory or thought. The image here is of exorcising an unquiet or evil spirit. I don't believe in ghosts. Ní ghéillim dtaibhsí. Ní ghéillim dtaibhsí. Ní ghéillim dtaibhsí. Ní thugann siad isteach dtaibhsí is they refuse to believe in ghosts. Ní thugann siad isteach dtaibhsí. Ní thugann siad isteach dtaibhsí. The ghost appeared in front of the bush. Taibhsí an taibhsé féin. Taibhsí is to show. Showed. On taibhsé, the ghost féin, he himself. So the ghost showed himself aghaidh an toir, in front of the bush. Taibhsí an taibhsé féin aghaidh an toir. Taibhsí an taibhsé féin aghaidh an toir. A tiyv-sheh is a teller of ghost stories. Tiyv-sheh. Taibhsí is the act of telling the stories, the ghost stories. Taibhsí. Or also of playing ghosts. Taibhsí. Do you believe in ghosts? An gcreideann tú i dtaibhsí. An gcreideann tú is do you believe i dtaibhsí in ghosts? An gcreideann tú i dtaibhsí. I'm not a believer in ghosts. Ní duine mé a creideann i dtaibhsí. Ní duine mé a creideann i dtaibhsí. It's I'm not a person who believes in ghosts. Ní duine mé a creideann i dtaibhsí. Ní duine mé a creideann i dtaibhsí. Or they disbelieve in ghosts. Ní creideann siad i dtaibhsí. Ní creideann siad i dtaibhsí. Ní creideann siad i dtaibhsí. They tried to call up the ghosts. Deoch siad le taibhsí a ghoo-shokht. Déag siad le taibhsí a ghoo-shokht. Déag siad le taibhsí a ghoo-shokht. They're haunted by the ghosts of the past. Tá siad céasta ag rudaí a tharla dóibh san am atá thart. That's more like a figure of speech, I think, more metaphorically. Not a real ghost, but like things that happened. Tá siad céasta ag ruda a tharla dóibh. So rudaí a tharla dóibh, things that happened to them san am atá thart, in times past, in the time that's finished. She looked like she'd seen a ghost. Híl-chá go raibh sí tar éis taibhsí a eáil. Híl-chá, so you would think go raibh sí tar éis, that she was after taibhsí a eáil, seeing a ghost. You would think she had just seen a ghost. Híl-chá go raibh sí tar éis taibhsí a eáil. Sightings of ghosts have been reported at the castle. Tá sé ráite go bhfocas taibhsí ag an gcaisleán. Tá sé ráite, so it is said go bhfocas taibhsí ag an gcaisleán, that ghosts have been seen at the castle. Caisleán is castle. Tá sé ráite go bhfocas taibhsí ag an gcaisleán. Or you could say deirtear gur thaispeáin taibhsí iad féin ag an gcaisleán, which is like the other one, the ghost that showed itself in front of the bush. Deirtear gur thaispeáin, they say it is said that ghosts show themselves, thaispeáin taibhsí iad féin, so they show themselves ag an gcaisleán, at the castle. Scéal is story, scéal taibhsí, ghost story. Spine-tingling ghost stories. Scéalta taibhsí, a cuireadh deann tríd. Scéalta taibhsí, so ghost stories, a cuireadh deann tríd. That would put a shiver through you. Or scéalta taibhsí, a cuireadh an grúig ina seasamh de cheann. You can probably figure that one out. Scéalta taibhsí, so ghost stories, a cuireadh, that would put an grúig ina seasamh, the hair standing up, de cheann, on your head. Grúig is hair, ina seasamh is standing or standing up, and ceann is head. Scéalta taibhsí, a cuireadh an grúig ina seasamh de cheann. There is no such thing as a ghost. Níl a leichéad de rud ann agus taibhsí. Níl a leichéad de rud ann agus taibhsí. Níl a leichéad de rud ann agus taibhsí. And finally, the ghost walked 2 nights in a row. Bhí an taibhsí le feiceáil gá oíche as a chéile. Bhí an taibhsí, the ghost was, le feiceáil, like to be seen or visible, gá oíche as a chéile. Gá oíche, 2 nights as a chéile, like together or in a row. Bhí an taibhsí le feiceáil gá oíche as a chéile. That's all for today. I hope it wasn't too spine-tingling, and I'll see you again soon.